Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to Fofoofo TV. My name is Kwame Chumesi. Again, if you do not understand Akan and you prefer the English version, I'm going to leave a link in the description section below. So please click on that, and it's going to have the exact same tutorial in English. Hello, ebusuafo. Mema wo official po. Afisa say na bibia aye fine, okay. Afisa say na we be your online business. Afisa say now also your business, now also your own boss, okay. And then me babe how to link your Visa card to your PayPal account. So sorry, say tutorial way it take very long. Be creative how to create a PayPal account in Ghana 6 months ago. No? PayPal started a close a month for PayPal account or more creative or Ghana almost started close a bit dear down and no money now but a bit what to see make us say ya close on my account down. My close my account down, please do not worry. Make creative I've got another way on how to create a PayPal account. I'll create another tutorials for you guys, okay, in 2022. So please stay tuned for that. If you want me to do that, please comment below and I'll make that happen for you. Or more young closing my account down, yay. And then me babe how to link your Visa card to your PayPal account. Send in the DK over, please show some love. Click on that subscribe button, click on that notification bell so that you release any new business tutorial you do not miss out. Main kasach pino mama yentuaso. Okay, and to say opesa will link your Visa card to your PayPal account now. UBA Africa card no, and no most of Makasano work it like 99.9%. Most of the cards no Ghana now to me and fan to Nyama internationally and to try to link it to your PayPal account now but with this UBA Africa card no. Yeah, it works like magic. Amafo bebre Achiaa in Tupebia, just go to your UBA any UBA bank. Okay, nakachom so pay UBA Africa card, Visa card, on be creative amount. Documents out here 2 passport photos, kai saw the back. Of course, your personal details, your TIN number, your tax identification number. We have some sort of ID to say your passport, Ghana card, and driver's license. Make sure so we're in and I'm saying card, like I say, it's a 40 cities or so then. Yeah, please forgive me. So can you have 2 price anymore? Yeah, for 40 cities. Nako creative, okay? Na ebeboa opan ye because so ukofanya makra ewa monne na beton. You need some sort of Visa card you can use to pay for things online. Into Nako GB. I'm not affiliated to them. Yeah, I mean, you said my shit that I made no, I've got no affiliation with them. But I'm off be brave. I can say, we use UBA Africa no. Edema PayPal no be smooth into so called there and link your Visa card to your PayPal account. So uni bank account so that is okay. O banker uni almost save our Ghana no. To Ghana Commercial Bank, UBA Nasaba, Cal Bank, Stanbic, Zenith, Ecobank, no, no. They all provide Visa card. Yes, so just tell your bank so here Visa card and use that Visa card to link to your PayPal account, okay? And as a uni bank account, so you can create a virtual card. Your company be from Pound Pay. We bet to make use Pound Pay. They are creative virtual card. Now we use secure well mobile money. No, I transfer your Visa card, so virtual one. So now they use so I link it to PayPal, and now we use the Atonyama our money. So na beta by Flutterwave. We bet to make use and now Flutterwave and Casal create your account. They will allow you to create and what do you call it, a virtual Visa card that you can use, okay? But in like I said, you need some sort of identification. Normally on online verification, or passports will work like magic. But we used to be able to say if your Ghana card and a driver's license it works like magic. But we also have verification, you check Accra. If you're not Achiaa, contact their support and how verify you back end. Or make us say if you're sending the screenshots of your Ghana card no and send more they will verify your account for you. And so share na verify your account na maintenance for like weeks and trying some magic be happen. No, just to one among contact them and they'll do that for you, okay? I'm not going to go through this because processing here easy. Can I download your app no? Then just go through the sign up process is really easy. Okay, into when your card near no, yeah, Bebrina do not know how to use their Visa card to buy things online. Okay, into where just a short tutorial. We should know anyway. I just skip because I know so most of you know, but trust me, others do not know. So I'm about back to me. So my card is not working. Which I say, if I want to enter the details properly, that's why it's not working. And to share top and I'm more confirm purchase. Normally, say what the credit card and our Visa card and our MasterCard to be online now or form no is going to look something like this, and I will add it your card to PayPal now. The form is going to look something like this. It will like one step to the other, but information on Belgium looks something like this. Into your account owner and card holder's name a card so into share down hana we are match card holder's name by ABR Midin Kwame Chumisi and about no answer match Kwame Chumisi ewaha. Okay, after a back card number now who hana this long number now also a short number bia pepe. Okay, pepe what's the sun number back who man or you mistake or card no and go through be declining into type number we in pepe for the card number. Okay, and about expiration date in wahana or share number na wahana baby my mouse on we are 0425 we are April 2025 into be select April high also numbers into select April hana no I select 2025 as the expiration date no fair. Okay, I think we are be a friend CVV where security key normally no need the front of the card, but what done card now we shall say the maya wahana boom some 3 numbers be our card nichi to enter that 3 number no our CVV no we are not confirm and one no so we see our card you'll be able to pay for the 10 hour and you'll be able to add your Visa card to your PayPal account successfully. Okay, so I want to see a comment below and I'll be there to explain things into more details for you. And now what's up with me? I'm sending you audio no my church ye amount okay. I feel drew the actual practical into how to link your Visa card to your PayPal account. See the dream if I'm a phone, then we go through the process. Okay, into you see I me fat me phone. Okay, we me baby your phone so na me the Achiaa so the be easy amount. Okay, into me family phone says here na me call me PayPal app no. Into you share hana mo 2 PayPal account mo PayPal for business ni PayPal into me click or PayPal ni so. Okay, into me click or and on so it be application no amame. Open your right corner. We should be with the mouse on it now. I'll be clicking on that tab. That tab now is a card. It's a one link card be brace. I no patch into you be clicking and also into my mimi card mimi PayPal them a link Visa card did that. Into we here some link biom. Okay, into we dey make sure mo keke. Into we should plus sign and no nature say you can add your Visa card, but on add the card be na straight away no a big button be because say be add bank details. Be click on so but send me my add be did into plus sign way no and I be click also. Okay, into click also be more 2 options. First option is obe and add your bank details, and a second option is obe add your credit and debit card. So over Ghana no untumi add your bank details or moje Visa card into be click or add credit and debit card this one. And you know my add media data into if it is really easy into click or add credit and debit card this one a budget the card number say them no we are now expiry date no say them we are now CVV number no say them to be enter all these details. After we enter all these details now the Akan a verification or set PayPal a verify say card way so pack a would there into your benefit or best send a code onto your card this one or send a code nuswa or bet it $2 into making sure say at least or $2 or card so PayPal your verification you are or do seek a back. Okay, into your funny say your add card no into you share your bank account. Okay, into your normal bank account na me wa hana. I mean we share a hana maybe I made the mouse snatcher now. We share PayPal at $2, okay? Mamuti $2, you know. Send me any case, almost send me code way with say almost $2, you know. So okay, into code, you know. Yeah, when your code way, no person verify. I'll go back to you, baby. I'll link a card now. Card now at the end. PayPal bet you say verify. And to click also no baby will say enter 4-digit number no send a call card. And so you be enter. We share PP asterisk way now. Number no 9423 no. PayPal be send with your strong. And to be added that 4 numbers now or must send the amount no. I'll be enter her. Who enter her? I bet you say verified. Now you say no. What verify your account? And no Visa card no. Until be able to until verify we are. Said them no. We share her now. PayPal aside me $2. Amami. Into when I'm on $93 for my account in him. And I'm $2. Into share her now. PayPal me verify we aside me $2. Amami back into my balance no. About be yet $95. Say the move off a fair no. Into yanum sana or link it your PayPal, your Visa card to your PayPal account. Really easy. So on TBBS comment below. I'll be there to help you out. Yancha hono my yen twaso. Into yanomons a process no enya denkra process no really easy, okay? So still unto me link here, comment below and I'll be there to help you out. So for some reason if you cannot create a PayPal account, you'll be you work online, it's okay. Your company be from Payoneer and Wise. These two applications are awesome. To me for Payoneer say to me I create a local bank account US, UK, and Australia. Same with Wise, okay? What's Ghana? So now our bank account US into ABI maybe online. Yeah, to me Tiasikano abeto your US and your UK and your Australia account okay? Into I'm transfer to my now if what transfer app now what transfer from account or app ways to your Momo and now to your bank account in Ghana. It works, okay? Into I'll just share my screen right to share how now we're Payoneer, okay? Into you cut down say now we be a Juma or Fiverr. If you don't know Fiverr, I can do a tutorials on it for you. We be a freelancer, we Juma or Upwork, we be a travel photos, I also turn photos, which means that to shutter stock, they get the image. They will pay you into your Payoneer and your friend is saying White's bank details account. Now so I transfer Akan Ghana amount. So now we will be able to do with eBay, Amazon, you can do that. And I'm more mini importation and I want person to find your free amount in the beton. You'll be able to pay your suppliers from your Payoneer account. So, and the most amazing thing is that you'll be able to also create a virtual Visa card in your Payoneer account. Now where you should have Visa card, no, they are told your episode to be now I'm on their ship it Ghana amount. And you're really easy. Me a tutorial on how to create an account on Payoneer. It's really easy way to my but still comment below and I'll do that for you. So about Wise, so I love Wise. Wise you're really easy. A bit to my create your friend is saying account in US, UK, and Australia. So I'm actually show how to money transfer. As I money transfer so on a multi-currency account. A bit to me I create multi-currency account. Or Ghana so now account our US, UK, again, a Wise Visa card that you can use internationally. So also go to Wise, create an account and use it. Especially if you want to establish a business online. Wise and Payoneer, the alternative to PayPal. So these are my two other alternatives in case you are struggling to open a PayPal account in Ghana. Okay, the details into BB just contact me, and when I get the time, I have messages be bring to send me just my reply. I'm on me. I go through to first come first serve. Okay, this is my details. Contact me, and I'll be there to help you. So be unti BB so contact me or comment below, and I'll be there to help you. So please show some love, support us. We want to grow, okay? Click on that subscribe button, free, young charge. Click on that notification bell, and I'm releasing any video you do not miss out. Your friend Kwame Chumesi, Mimao Afishia Pa. Bye.